Peter Andre, ħafna f'pajjiżna jiftakru għall-kanzunetta Mysterious Girl li ħarġet fis-snin design u għall-cover version ta' Kiss the Girl fil-film The Little Mermaid. Minn wara li reġa' għamel suċċessi ġodda bħala kantant, fl-aħħar snin huwa kien protagonist f'diversi reality shows, fosthom mal-eks mara tiegħu Katie Price. Iżda li lim iċ-ċelebrità, il-ħadd filgħodu l-mezzi tax-xandir setgħu jaraw lil Peter Andre minn lenti differenti. Fuq talba tiegħu fil-ftit ħin liberu li kellu f'pajjiżna żar l-itfal f'Disneyland f'Mater Dei. Flimkien ma' tfajla tiegħu Emily li qed tistudja l-mediċina, tkellem ma' tfal u mal-ġenituri tagħhom dwar il-kundizzjoni ta' saħħithom.
Well, it means a lot to us, and we hope it means something to the children because we have the opportunity of coming to meet, the real soul of Malta. The children, the people that are crying out for help.
One News staqsa x'kienet l-iktar ħaġa li laqtitu fi żjara tiegħu f'pajjiżna.
It reminds me a lot of Cyprus, where my mum and dad are from. It reminds me a lot of Cyprus. And sometimes we're driving and I think this is like Cyprus. I think just the people are very, very nice. Very friendly people, very beautiful people. So I think that struck me the most.
Għalinna li jixtieq jerġa' jiġi s-sajf li ġej biex iżur il-Blue Lagoon f'Kamuna. Saqsejnieh ukoll x'inhuma l-proġetti li qed iħejji għażmien li ġej.
Next project, we have the Music Awards tonight, obviously, which I'll be performing at, and then I'm back in England. We're doing 2 TV shows, releasing a new single. We've got a song with Shaggy, remember Shaggy? Fantastic international artist, so we've got a lot coming up this year. Hopefully you'll like it.